Friends, I am Dr. Surajit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Tissue salt therapy, part 1 intro. How was tissue salt therapy invented? German physician Dr. W. H. Schussler started his career as an MD of homeopathy in 1857. Later, he researched on the functions of cells by Dr. R. Vercoe and contribution of mineral salts on human body by Dutch physiologist Jacob Mollescott for many years. In 1874, he published his own research paper with a caption "An Abridged Therapy," which he called biochemic therapy. Nowadays, it is popularly known as tissue salt therapy (TST) or cell salt therapy (CST). What are the 12 medicines in tissue salt therapy or TST? In human body, besides organic matters, there are so many inorganic salts. Of these, 12 inorganic salts are found to have significant therapeutic importance, and these salts are used as the medicines in this wonderful therapy. Of course, these salts are not directly used as medicines. That is, the medicine are used in potentized form. What is potentized form? That will be discussed later on. Now let us know the names, 12 names. Calcarea floricum, number 1. Number 2, Calcarea phosphoricum. Number 3, Calcarea sulfuricum. Number 4, Ferrum phosphoricum. Number 5, Kalium muriaticum. Number 6, Kalium phosphoricum. Number 7, Kalium sulfuricum. Number 8, Magnesia phosphoricum. Number 9, Natrum muriaticum. Number 10, Natrum phosphoricum. Number 11, Natrum sulfuricum. Number 12, Silesia. How medicines are employed in tissue salt therapy? Before employing the crude, salts are diluted and potentized by a simple but highly rigorous method with the help of Sack-Lack, solution of solid in solid following principle of Corbesis. Though this rigorous method was employed in earlier times when there was no modern preparatory systems of medicine was evolved. Now it is evolved and it is done with the help of latest machine. No rigorous physical labor is required. Previously, it was a very tiresome and laborsome job. Employed potentized tissue salts have three important properties. Number 1, they are employed in extremely small amount. Their side effects are very minimal. They do not imbibe any drug dependency even if given repeatedly over a long time. Frequently asked questions. Number 1, is this therapy recognized by any statutory body? This therapy is recognized by World Health Organization as a system of complementary and alternative medicine, CAM. Many countries of Asia, Europe, Africa, together with America, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, this therapy is recognized and practiced as CAM. Who can learn and practice this therapy? So far my knowledge goes, there is no need of any particular degree diploma to learn and practice this in many countries of the world. Anybody finishing school education of 10-12 years are eligible. However, knowledge of pathology, medicine and other allied subjects would facilitate practice confidently. What are the side effects of tissue salts? As I already stated, tissue salts are part and parcel of human body and employed in very minute amount. Side effects, if any seen, are very minimal. Neither any drug dependency or withdrawal symptoms result. What are medicines and other accessories available? Where are medicines and other accessories are available? Items of tissue salt therapy are abundantly available in all homeopathic medicine shops all over the world. Are each and every disease treatable in tissue salt therapy? No. There is no therapy in the world which can claim to treat each and every disease. Every therapy has got its own scope and limitation. However, a lot of acute and so-called subacute and chronic diseases are aptly treated under this therapy. As a practitioner of this therapy for many years, if you ask me directly what is the percentage that can be used? I think in the about 60 to 70% of diseases in our society can be tackled with the help of TST. 60 to 70%. What are the benefits of tissue therapy? A. All medicines are part of our body, no external chemicals are used. B. There are only 12 medicines, so load of memorizing material medica is considerably low. C. If any particular medicine is overused, the same is excreted out of the body through natural openings. D. These medicines can be used in conjunction with any medicines of any other therapy. That is a very interesting thing. These medicines, that is tissue therapy treatment, can be given in conjunction with any other system of medicine already employed over the patient. This is a very interesting part. The keeping quality of this medicine is very high if procured from a reliable source. Note pound container beside. This pound container beside, I have given a photograph because from my personal reference, their personal store. This medicine was bought on some August of 2001, and still a year before it was used as usual. Now today is some 20, possibly it is today is November 28. November 28. Still the medicine is acting, and the shape of the medicine, the color of the medicine are almost intact. E. If appropriate medicine is administered timely in appropriate dose and potency, miracle cure is possible. Are homeopathy and tissue therapy the same? Not at all. Two systems of treatment are altogether different. Working principles are also different. Similia similibus curenter is the principle of homeopathy, and replenishing wanting minerals in the cells to bring back requisite equilibrium of cell function is the principle of tissue therapy. However, there are strong similarities in the preparation and administration of medicine in both cases. Both systems employ potentized medicine in small amount that are prepared following the principle of hormesis. Low concentration stimulates, high concentration inhibits. In homeopathy, there are hundreds of medicines from so many sources like plants, leaf, bark, root, flowers, animals, insects, snakes, chemicals, sulfur, sarcodes, thyroxine, nosodes, carcinosin, imponderabilia like electricity, X-ray, but there are only 12 medicine from minerals in tissue therapy. What is the working principle of TST? Hormesis is an event or a phenomena in which low dose concentration shows stimulation, higher dose or concentration shows inhibition. In plain language, dilute medicines is more effective than concentrated medicine. Tissue salts are not only diluted but also potentized. These medicines are to enter into the cell, so they need to be finer and finer physically to permeate through the cell membranes. That is why tissue salts are easily absorbed into the system quickly and start action smoothly with least side effect, causing no drug dependency despite repeated use. On the right hand side, the medicines, how medicines are named, that is nomenclature is shown. Crude medicine, say you are taking calcarea phos. So calcarea phosphoricum, that is calcium phosphate, that is the crude medicine. This crude medicine is not used. It is potentized to 1x form. That is 1x means you get one part of medicine and 9 part of saclac, and through rigorous maceration, grinding, say for about 2 hours, the mixture we get, that is called 1x. Then one part of 1x, one part of 1x, and 9 part of saclac. Same procedure for 2 hours of maceration, grinding, collecting, grinding, maceration, etc. This result comes 2x. In this way, medicine are potentized. But nowadays, it is not done physically. When it was invented, it was done in this way. Now up to 200x, medicines up to 200x are available, and all this medicine now prepared in advanced scientific procedure. These medicines are called dilute medicine. Dilute medicine. How do tissue medicines work in the body? Our body is made up of so many systems like digestive system, respiratory system, nervous, etc. We know this. Systems are made up of organs, organs are of tissue, and tissues are of cells. If all the cells of the body are healthy, body is healthy. Cells remain healthy so long as its composition in inorganic cells are in a balanced state. Due to so many external internal causes, cell becomes sort of necessary salt. As such symptoms crop up. Persons having knowledge of tissue therapy can understand what salts are deficient in the cells from the symptoms. They administer proper salt in proper dose and potency orally, which are absorbed into the blood soon and reset the cellular functions, that is, and body functions, body becomes healthy.